Yeah, so in like seventh grade, I attended the 3 week summer camp.
Yeah.
And so there, I was with a team of like 6 people and then an instructor. So here, over the course of 3 weeks, I learned the basics of like programming and AI theory, as well as like how to make AI. I was like really shocked by how quickly I had learned because I had tried like, searching up videos or like, taking these online code academy courses and stuff like that. And I couldn't really wrap my head around how it worked, especially when I was that young. But like I was surprised when like within the span of a week I was able to learn, all the fundamentals of Python and then even crazier AI, which I thought was like some really complicated math thing.
Yeah.
But AI camp had really demystified that and made it easy for me to learn.
Like, what are the reasons enable you to learn all these materials like super quickly?
Yeah, I think project-based learning and then also always having somebody there to help me. So I had my instructor, and then anytime I had a question or something I didn't understand, I could ask my instructor or also ask my like peers because there were some other people I was at the camp with. And then
Mhm.
how project-based it was because like I was actively developing stuff, so I could kind of like I don't know, something about making a project as I'm learning made me like better understand like the real world applications as well as just how everything worked.
What is the project you guys made?
Oh, we made like this drowsy AI detector. I mean this AI drowsy driver detector. And so basically we just
So
put it
when
in a image.
someone's driving, you can detect whether this person's drowsy or not.
Yeah, and then we like put it on a
Interesting.
website.
Interesting. Can you apply? Do you think you can apply the stuff you learn to future projects?
Yeah, definitely. The skills I'm learning right now, I think they're probably going to be applicable to most future projects, especially with the fact that I'm going to be having to apply AI to most
Hmm.
of my future projects. Yeah, everything I'm learning, the soft skills, the hard skills, the technical aspects, like, teamwork, communication, and then industry standard tools, better
Right.
coding techniques, better
Right.
algorithms and stuff.
That's awesome.
Everything is
That's
going to be
awesome.
applicable.
That's awesome. Now, tell us a little bit about your future plans. Because right now you're working at AI camp, for this client, whatnot. But this project, probably going to end in a month or two, right? So talk a bit about, have you thought about what are you going to do next? Any projects going to be built? What are the things you're going to learn? How are you going to approach these?
Yeah, so I'm hoping to get accepted into the Stanford summer research program that I've applied to.
Which
Um
one?
I don't know, it's like an AI. It's about AI.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm hoping to get accepted into that. I'm hoping to maybe work with AI Camp again in the future to pursue my own independent research stuff. Hopefully go international level if I do well at the competition next week.
Hmm.
um Maybe even getting published, that would be awesome, getting my research published, continuing my work with my nonprofits, that would all be amazing.
Yeah. What
uh
like let's just say you would speak to someone who has never heard AI cam, or maybe this is the first time they heard about AI cam. What would you tell them? Like, based on what you have done, you
I
have
would just tell
known.
them to do it. I would tell them like, this is 10x my efficiency, my learning rate. Learning stuff right now that would have taken me a decade normally to learn. Michael is also always giving me feedback and stuff. So I'll just tell them apply. Just go apply. Get you or your kid to apply. Do this 3 week summer camp course if you
Mhm.
haven't got any previous coding experience. Even if you haven't, you're gonna
Right,
learn so much.
right, right. Okay. Well, awesome. Thank you for speak about your experience, about the differences that we're making. That's awesome. Yeah.